Hi. I'm Rosie. Today, I am going to pull the fire alarm at the guild school, so I can scare the staff and students for those kids with special needs. Ha 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 ha. Yay 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 yay. The guild school fire drill, staff and students are evacuating guild. Ha 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 ha.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire.
Guild fire drill. Here we go. Oh no. It's the whole guild school.
Oh. Rosie Anderson. How dare you pull the fire drill at 521 Virginia RD? You know we have children with sensory needs here. Get out before we call the police.
Good thinking, Caillou. I can be back with a dozen eggs in no time.
Maybe since we only need one egg, we can borrow it from Mr. Hinkle. Why don't you go and ask Caillou?
Shut up, you big baby. You did this to yourself.
Rosie. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Guild for Human Services and causing those sweet special needs kids to evacuate right away? Why would you ever do that? That's it. You are grounded for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, 0, 9, 8, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 1, 2, 6, 3, 2 years.
Go upstairs to your room now, Rosie. You are grounded for pulling the fire alarm at a special needs school.